What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. So today we will be looking at the Ethereum chart and making some price predictions and going over some news and just things going on in the market. But before we jump into any of that, make sure you do smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and as always at the end of the video, let me know how you guys feel about Ethereum and what your price predictions are. With that being said, let's jump right into it. We are sitting around $4,307 today on Ethereum. Looking pretty bullish, guys. Honestly, if we look back at my past videos, I low-key called Ethereum being around this price. Actually, I'll take that back. It was just a little bit higher. I believe I was closer to 5,000 around October, but hey, still pretty close, right? I believe we did briefly touch 5,000 at some point. So just looking really bullish, guys. Looking at the macro, a lot of big things in motion for Ethereum, guys. Let's go ahead and go over some top stories and you can see what I'm talking about. Ethereum price prediction: could the surge in ETF propel ETH to 8K? Now, guys, how long have I been talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs here on the channel? It's been so long, and they're starting to take effect, guys. Now, it wasn't just going to happen overnight, right? These big, how should I say, these ETFs are dollar cost averaging at the end of the day, guys. They want to get the cheapest price possible too. So in order to do that, they can't just blast into the chart and just send it, right? They're strategically purchasing Ethereum for the lowest prices possible, right? But that being said, they've acquired quite a bit at this point. And at a certain point, once they acquire so much, there's not really any choice but for the price to go up because of supply and demand, right? If they hold the majority of the supply and demand stays, obviously you'll see huge price influxes, right? So let's go ahead and keep going here, though. Tom Lee predicts 54x's for Ethereum price rally as firm bets on 40 million on Wall Street push. It's insane, guys. Like, imagine a 54x on Ethereum would be crazy. Ethereum holds firm while Aave slips as traders turn their focus towards this. Yeah, I think Ethereum is outperforming pretty much all the altcoins at this point, guys, but I mean, that's to probably be expected. When alts start pumping, obviously Ethereum is going to be the first one, right? So that's my thesis on that. HODLing will explore staking portion of 3.6 billion Ethereum treasury. So again, guys, you're going to see a lot of these firms purchasing extremely big amounts of Ethereum, right? So pretty bullish on that. Again, people talking about HODLing's, the huge acquisition of Ethereum, guys. And there's just no slowing down of these firms acquiring these large amounts of cryptocurrency, not just Ethereum but Bitcoin as well. People are talking about Dogecoin ETFs now, guys. Like, it's getting crazy out here. But let's keep going. ETH price rally safe despite crypto and stock traders' concerns over the US macro, right? So a lot of people are concerned about the macro, guys, but my overall look is that the administration currently in office is extremely bullish on crypto and plan on making America the crypto capital of the world. So I think we're going to start to see that play out in the next year. Still here pretty bullish. I'm predicting that we'll see some new Bitcoin all-time highs around winter months or December, and I think Ethereum will follow, guys, honestly. So when Ethereum, if you think about it, when in respective to Bitcoin, it's kind of laid back a little bit, right? We have a lot of catching up to do with Ethereum, and we're starting to see that, guys. We are definitely starting to see that. So let me go back to Axiom. That's right. In case you guys are trading on Solana, I do want to mention, feel free to use my Axiom link in case you guys are trading Solana in the trenches. I know that's where the majority of the trading is going on right now. Obviously, we're talking about Ethereum today. But I always like to mention, in case you guys do want to trade on Solana, to use my Axiom link, as this is like the best platform to trade shitcoins on, basically, right, guys? And I know that's a lot of majority of what you guys that watch my channel are doing, so I always like to leave that in my video as well, link down below. But that being said, guys, still really bullish here on Ethereum. I don't want to harp too much. I just wanted to bring you guys some quick news and just tell you, my overall thoughts on Ethereum, and I'm pretty bullish. So that being said, guys, let me know how you feel about Ethereum down in the comments below. I do like to respond to all of you guys, and I kind of just like to get market sentiment from my community, right? So again, it's Crypto Ether. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.